How to recover Inshot deleted video. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can recover Inshot deleted video. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. So first of all, if you have a draft video saved in your Inshot, so for that let's go and open up the Inshot application. If you tap on video from here, now if you go to one of your draft, and whenever you try to edit your video, if it says could not load some clips in the draft because the original files are no longer available, please try replacing with other assets to continue. So if you have such kind of message there, that means you have deleted your video. So what you can do is you can either replace the video with a new video, or if you have deleted it recently, you will find that video in your recycle bin or your trash bin. So you can restore from there. So for that, you can open up gallery in your device, then navigate to your trash bin. Tap on trash bin or your recycle bin. So from here, you can restore the video if you have deleted recently. Once you have restored it, and then you can add the same video in the Inshot. But in case if you have permanently deleted the video, then you won't be able to recover the deleted video since it is removed permanently. For that, all you have to do is, or the only alternative you have, is to replace the video with the new one. So that is the way to recover your Inshot deleted video. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.